here. Ay,
Ayun yung
Johan.
Christmas. Sa
Oh, I
Johan.
think we need to get. I think we need to get inside.
Yeah.
Habang may pamphlet dito.
Oh, Johan Waner.
Ang ganda ng plaza. Sound of silence sa kanila. Parang ingay.
Ito yan si Johan Waner.
Dito sa Johan Waner. Ano, parang kailan natin bumili dito.
Bibili nga tayo dito sa Johan Waner.
Johan Waner.
Year-round Christmas stuff.
We need to get inside.
Yes, we will go inside.
Pero sabi may basil.
Oh, hanap tayo ng basil. Hello! Wow. Oh, they ship worldwide.
She were right.
Yeah. It says hanap ka na may basil.
I saw the Christmas ball with basil.
You saw it?
Yeah, to see the display. That display.
Oh, okay. Ask them.
We're looking for
A Christmas ornament that has basil written on it. Yeah.
Here we have Swiss ornaments.
okay.
This is the Swiss ornament, and Basel we have this.
This is what you want.
Or this. This is the emblem from Basel also.
Ah, that's the emblem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Dankeschön. Okay.
Ang ganda. Oh.
Oh, ang ganda nga
This is
ng
what you
basil.
How much is that?
1950.
Okay, so I think we buy one of these and one of that.
2020, 40.
Oo, kasi ang ganda pareho yung pula tsaka to.
Oh, sige.
Ito kasi ang ano, tama, emblem eh. Parang bishop's hat daw yan eh.
Emblem ng basil. And then, sige, kuha ka.
Okay, can we get one?
Get one of each.
Pero mahal to ha.
Oh, sabi mo, kalo eh.
Each one is expensive.
Yeah. May basil na ba tayong ano?
Ano?
Ito?
Kailangan mo ba?
Hindi na? Hindi na ako mahilig sa
How
ganyan.
about the... meron na tayo. Meron na tayo, di ba?
Alin?
That bridge man.
I think, mayroon na tayong basil.
We just got it.
Yes. We have the boxes.
Okay.
Oh.
Put inside.
Okay.
And you can take one.
Yes.
Okay.
I think this is it. This is what we...
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this is it.
So,
It's okay.
Does it come with a box?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
sure.
okay. Thank you. It's gonna travel.
And you pay by card.
by card.
Yes.
It's cheap. It's a piece.
Like your outfit, sir. You say hi to my nephew. Thank you. Yeah. Dankeschön.
Bye. Thank you. Oh, tama na, nakabili tayo.
Sabi ko.
We didn't reach this eh, nung first ano natin eh. Yung
Punta
first
natin.
trip natin, we didn't reach, pagod na tayo, di ba?
Oo.
That's why we opted not to
Ba't
go.
laki
Tapos,
ng pelo?
tapos it's raining.
Oo.
Okay, it's the fulfillment of your dreams
Yeah.
to buy at Johan Waner.